What I'm going to describe right now is my unique methodology by producing these small hardwood box enclosures for my electronic components that I normally build using this methodology. One of the most important things is most woodworking, they dry fit all the clamps, then loosen everything and apply the glue. I do just the opposite. I dry fit everything, I make it square with the small square, I make it perfectly square and ready to go, and all I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply the glue. But before I apply the glue, I'm going to make sure that every corner is tapped solidly down using a plastic screwdriver back. Now, when I apply the glue, I'm going to hold down this side and I'm going to apply a thin and water-thin glue, and it's going to soak all the way down to the bottom of the joint and flood the bottom. I'm going to let this soak in for a second, and then I'm going to hit it with Accelerator. I'm going to go to the next joint right here, apply the glue, and it's soaking in all the way down to the bottom, and I'm pressing down here to make sure it's absolutely secure. And I can look down at the bottom and see exactly where the glue is going, forming a perfect joint at the bottom. Then I apply the Accelerator. Now before I apply the glue in this corner, I remove my square because the box is obviously very square at this juncture. Now I'm going to come over to this joint, hold it down, let the glue flow into the joint, and it will flow all the way down to the bottom of that joint and fully engulf all of the wood particles and wood fibers in this. And then, again, the Accelerator. And then the last joint, I just simply allow the glue, the CA to flow freely. And I look down, see if it has hit the bottom, and a little bit of glue here. And then Accelerator. And now it's instantly ready to remove the clamps. Now I have a solid box ready to do additional gluing. Very, very solid box. Now I can simply go and take my glue and run additional glue and simply let it flow all the way around inside the box. You can see it's smoking because it's curing rather quickly, but ow, it's very hot when it cures. Now I'm going to glue up the joints on the outside just like this. And here. All the way around. You just don't want to get glue on the textured portion of the ABS. Then I'm going to hit this all with cyanoacrylate Accelerator. And now we have a completed box, solid as a rock, instantly. If there's one thing I'm impatient, it's my work. I want it done as fast as I can do it. And here is a completed box that I made for this guitar attenuator, a Variac magnetic guitar attenuator. As you can see, it's been smoothly routed and sanded and blended all of these materials from this configuration, which is the rough cabinet or box, to this beautifully machined and routed and bullnosed and oiled. Perfect container for this device. People absolutely love these hardwood boxes. This happens to be made out of red oak. But that's what you can do on an instant basis. You simply take, as soon as you can take off the clamps, you can instantly go over to your router and route all the necessary additional parts and bullnose it and sand it and oil it, and it's ready to go.